Let me see. What's this one about? This one's about marketing your security resume. That's what I'm all about, marketing. And Smooth Virus. So I know this person personally. I'm proud to say I got this man a job not too long ago, making a lot of money. And he says, that works. He's talking about my course. I did a course about how to market yourself as a cybersecurity person. It really works, guys. I know because I've been doing it for years, but he says that it works. I have more than doubled my salary in 2 years, and I'm now a cybersecurity team lead. Not only that, but I have it on good confidence that this man got another job recently from somewhere that I will not disclose on a public forum. So yeah, this course, let me tell you what course he's talking about, by the way. All right. So I don't have just cybersecurity courses. I have courses on how to get a job in IT and cybersecurity. And the way that I do this is going to make so much sense when you see the title of this. It's marketing yourself. It's actually marketing yourself. It's revolutionary. So what I show you how to do is what I've been doing for many years. Look at this. How can you not trust this face? Look at this face right here. This is the face of a man you can trust. Anyway, so I'm telling you, I have so many job offers that I have to turn my resumes off. It's like after a while, it's like spam. What I do works. Now, you have to have a good resume. You have to have experience. I'm not saying that you could just have zero experience and do this. Like you have to have a tight resume. But if you have that, if you have the skills, like this is right here, if you are an IT professional and you have had trouble getting good jobs, this one right here will tell you how to market yourself and put yourself out there and not just get 1 or 2 offers and opportunities, but get hundreds of opportunities. That's what I'm teaching you to do. And all the stuff you see here is how I've been able to do it. This is the curriculum right here. It works. I know it's just worked for me for many years. I've not been in without a job. Remember the 2008 crisis and nobody had jobs, the economy collapsed and all that? You know what happened to me? I got a raise. I got a raise because I was marketing myself while that was all happening. Their election year, we've had 2-3 different presidents in the time that I've been employed. 4 different presidents. I've been employed through every single one of them in every kind of economy because I know how to market myself. This right here, this course up here that you see here, go to ConvoCourses.com. Go ahead and check it out. It's one of my cheaper courses. It will show you exactly what I did, to get a ton of opportunities. It really, really works. It's I don't know. This is one of the most valuable things that I have on my website.